to your love message from your person. This is a direct message from your person to you in the form of a love note, love letter, voice to text. But this is a message from your person to you. Libra. I'm confused about which path to take right now. And honestly, it's hard to focus. I can't get anything done right now, and honestly. I feel like I've lost everything. Everything. Okay? Honestly, I'm having a difficult time moving forward. Accepting where I'm at right now and all that I've lost. I can't avoid it any longer. I should have saw the signs. So many setbacks. I should have saw it coming. I didn't trust my intuition. And I was pretty much taken for everything. And I should have listened to you. I didn't trust you. But now I see everything very clearly. Everything came out in court. Well, although I've lost so much, I'm able to really to see this whole situation from a new perspective. Again, I'm no longer in denial. I can't be in denial at this point. I've been healing. I've been working on myself, and trying to recoup some losses that I experienced and building up my trust again. Looking at everything objectively now, and I just wanted to reach out to you. You've always brought me luck in the past. My good luck charm. But, you know, that's all behind me. I'm ready to like move forward, and I'm really hoping that you can be a part of something beautiful with me. You always saw things like 10 steps ahead, and so how about it? How about a new beginning, you and I? Things are looking up for me, though. Now that that's all behind me, you know, I don't have that burden on my shoulders any longer. I feel free. I feel liberated. And I feel like I'm able to move towards you. And I don't have to bring all of that stress and chaos along with me. I lost the business. And, you know, there's some anger, resentment there. Made some impulsive decisions. But hindsight is 50-50. You live and you learn. I had some thoughts about doing some pretty vengeful things, but when I think about you, all that goes away. It just goes away. Everything had to happen the way it happened, you know. And being impulsive wouldn't have gotten me anywhere. Like I said, it all unfolded how it had to unfold. All the legal issues, all the anxiety. Again, I feel liberated. I feel lighter. And I feel free to move toward my happiness. To move toward you, if you'll have me. I want a family with you. I want to build with you. I feel balanced. I feel whole, free with you. I don't even know how you're going to take all this. You probably feel as if it's not over because it took so long for it to be over. And you may definitely feel like conflicted. But I hope you don't avoid my message. I hope that this gets through to you and that we can work this out. There's no one, okay, that can get in the way of us now. Libra. I love you. I don't have to hide my emotions for you anymore. I want a new beginning. This is our time. I feel so connected to you. I feel that options are limitless. I may have lost the business, but I have things saved. And it's possibly an opportunity for me to move in a new direction. Maybe work on something creative. Invest in you. You know, you're so creative. You know, your art, your music. I feel like that possibilities are endless for a pure, new, blessed beginning with you. I love you so much. And I want to tell the world. I still have some baggage. I know I'm working through, but with you by my side, I feel like I can conquer the world. I feel like I can conquer the world. You actually are my world. And I want to prove that to you. Whoa. I'm so glad it's behind me. Materialistic people. The corruption. The greed. All the risks that I've taken that turned out to be bad investments. All the delays that has brought us to this space. Not being able to bring you the justice that you deserve. Being conflicted, being confused. Stuck in all of the legal issues and the battles from my past. I didn't trust my intuition. I couldn't make a decision, but all the legal stuff is over and I'm bringing you justice, okay? And you've been patient and I've been patient. Things are finally balancing out